Hello everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. Please pardon me if I'm panting. I was running trying to catch the tow truck. So this Ford truck right here, unfortunately I had to take it to get the Pontiac hearse. It was a package deal, so it will be for sale. It's a 1974, so it's pre-smog, and it's going to be very cheap. So if anybody knows of anybody who would want it, there's no motor. The original tranny is there. So it's literally a blank slate where you could do anything you want. Everything's there besides the motor. So also comes with that toolbox right there. So if anybody knows of anybody who might want it, like I said, very cheap. I'm asking $2,500 or best offer. Go ahead and contact me if you're interested. So here's just a quick look at the interior. There is no rust in this truck whatsoever. It is beautiful as for like rust wise. So again, really cheap, $2,500 or best offer takes it. Got a bunch of tires and junk in the back here that we'll have to clean out, but no holes in the bed. I saw previous pictures before I bought it.